Ever wondered if renting could be better than buying? In the world of housing, the common narrative suggests that owning a home is the ultimate achievement. The dream of painted walls and a backyard of your own has been etched into our minds, making us believe that purchasing a house is always the best choice. But as we delve deeper into the complexities of the housing market, we're forced to ask, is this belief rooted in reality or just a myth? First, let's talk about financial freedom. It's a term often thrown around, but what does it really mean? In essence, it's the freedom to make choices that allow you to enjoy life, without the constant worry about money. Now you might think that homeownership is the only path to this sought-after financial freedom. But let's debunk that myth, shall we? Renting can also lead to financial freedom. How, you ask? Well, for starters, there's no mortgage stress. You're not tied down to decades of debt. This means you have the flexibility to invest in diverse assets rather than pouring all your funds into a single property. Moreover, the rental lifestyle offers adaptability to financial changes. Whether you're changing jobs, facing unexpected expenses, or simply wanting to save for that dream vacation, renting provides the financial flexibility you need. So, renting can indeed be a ticket to financial liberty. It's all about making smart, informed decisions that suit your personal financial situation. What about those dreaded house chores and maintenance jobs? Imagine a world where a leaky faucet or a broken air conditioner isn't your problem to fix. That's the world of a renter. When you rent, the stress and cost of home maintenance isn't on your shoulders. Instead, these issues are typically covered by landlords or property management. Think about those Sundays you've spent trying to fix a stubborn clogged drain or the money you've shelled out for an unexpected roof repair. As a renter, you can bid goodbye to such woes. This saved time and energy can be invested elsewhere, like picking up a new hobby, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a stress-free weekend. Moreover, renting can also save you from larger unforeseen expenses, such as a sudden boiler breakdown or a major plumbing issue. These can be heavy on the pocket and cause undue stress. Renting offers an escape from the endless cycle of home repairs. Ever felt stuck in one place because of your house? Imagine having the freedom to pack your bags and move cities or even countries without the hassle of having to sell a property or worry about a vacant house. That's the beauty of renting. It offers flexibility at your fingertips. You see, homeownership, while it has its perks, can often tether you to a location, making it difficult to seize new opportunities, whether they're career moves, lifestyle changes, or unexpected adventures. It's like having an anchor that keeps your ship from sailing. But when you rent, you're not tied down. You have the liberty to explore, to change, to grow. Need to relocate for that dream job? No problem. Want to experience life in a new city? Go ahead. Craving a change of scenery? It's your call. Renting provides the freedom to move at the pace of life. So why not embrace this freedom and live life on your own terms? And what about your social life? Renting isn't just about a roof over your head. It's about the people around you, the shared experiences, and the sense of belonging you can find in a vibrant community. Whether it's a shared building or a neighborhood of fellow renters, these are the places where you can forge new friendships, build strong networks, and truly feel at home. It's not just about the space, it's about the people in it. Renting can open doors to vibrant, diverse communities. So, is renting the new black? Well, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. We've looked at how renting can offer you financial freedom. It's not just about the upfront cost of a down payment, but the ongoing expenses that come with homeownership. Next, we talked about the beauty of escaping maintenance stress. As a renter, you're free from the constant upkeep, the unexpected repairs, and the never-ending chores that homeowners often face. Moving on, we touched upon the flexibility at your fingertips. Renting offers you the freedom to move whenever and wherever opportunity or adventure calls. And let's not forget the vibrant community connections that renting can foster. Being part of a larger community can offer a richer, more connected lifestyle. Now that you know the truth, it's time to join the rent revolution. Embrace the benefits, the freedom, the flexibility, and the community that renting can offer. Let's redefine what home means together.